Hi, friends. We humans can do so much. Take water, for example. You can do a lot more with water than just drink it. You can make hydroelectricity. Hydro what? Hydroelectricity. Hydroelectricity is electricity that is created from water. When you turn on a light in your bedroom, the power might come from hydroelectricity. That's probably hard to imagine, but you're about to learn all about it. Just pay attention and you'll see how hydroelectricity works. First, you need a water source, like a river. Because a river has flowing water, humans can build a dam to stop the water from flowing. Once you have a dam, all the water starts to build up because it has nowhere else to go. Where this water is stored is called a reservoir. When the dam is built, humans put a secret door near the bottom of the dam. Behind the secret door, you will find scary things. Ooh. No, I'm just kidding. Behind the secret door is a tunnel. When the secret door is opened, the water goes through the tunnel. The water rushes down the tunnel really fast. The water goes so fast that it turns a turbine or a propeller. Imagine a merry-go-round on a playground. Merry-go-rounds turn when you spin them. A turbine works the same way. When the water comes rushing down, it turns the turbine. As the turbine turns quicker and quicker, it creates electricity. This electricity then gets carried by power lines to my house and your house. Do you know what power lines are? Power lines are those poles and wires on the sides of most roads and highways. They carry electricity to homes so we can turn our lights on. Isn't that cool? When humans create hydroelectricity, it affects everyone. That's because everyone needs power or electricity to do things. It all starts with human-made dams that help store the water. Human-made generators use the water to create electricity. And human-made power lines deliver the electricity for humans to power their homes. Without these dams, generators, and power lines, a lot of people wouldn't have air conditioning or heat in their home. And that's pretty important stuff. All right, friends, today we covered a lot. Let's review. We learned that for hydroelectricity to work, you need a water source, like a river. That water source is used to power a turbine or propeller, which creates electricity. That electricity is carried through power lines to our homes, where it powers stuff like our lights and microwave ovens. Humans really can do amazing things, like making hydroelectricity for our cities. Now, let's see what you learned. Talk to your learning coach and tell them one new thing you learned in this lesson.